In this video, I will show you how to create a Taobao account easily in 2025. So to get started, go ahead and open Taobao and then click on the sign up for free button at the top left of your screen. So click on this. So make sure to translate the page into English using Google Translate to be able to understand the details of the page. So in here, as you can see, you need to enter your mobile number. So to be able to create an account on Taobao, you need to use your mobile number. So you need to set your country code, and then after that, you need to enter the mobile number that you want to use for your Taobao account. So after you have entered your mobile number, you need to click on this Get Verification Code button. And then this will pop on your screen. So this is more of a verification that you are a human. So make sure to use the Google Translate extension for this, since this is in Chinese, so that you'll be able to verify this before you can proceed on getting the code. So once you receive the code, just need to enter that in here, and then you can go ahead and proceed with your Taobao account.